So I'm going to be showing you how you can create a website from your phone using Canva. Now, this is a very simple, straightforward process. You don't have to know how to code before you can create a simple website for your business or whatsoever you do using just your phone. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that on this video. Now, let's go straight to the point. So the first thing I want you to do is to actually type the word website. So we are going to type website. So when you type website, you're going to see a list of you search, then you're going to see a list of options you can choose from. So this was where I actually typed the word website. So, and you can see now I have a list of websites here, a list of templates here that I can choose from. These are the templates, this is a template, this is a template. So depending on what you want to do, so I'll just choose anyone now and we are going to use that one to create a simple website. So I think I like the way this one looks, so I'll just go straight forward and click on it. So and it opens up. Once it opens up for me, what I'm going to notice is that I'm going to see some designs. So now on this place you can now tweak your designs. You have affordable homes in thriving communities. If you want to change it to something else, you change it. If you want to change this to something else, you change it. If you want to add your logo, you come here plus and come to uploads, then you upload your logo here. So um choose from a list of things here. You go to where your logo is on your phone or mobile device and you select the logo. So I already have a logo here. So let's say I want to add this logo. I just simply click on it and reduce it and put it where I want it to be. So the next thing I'm going to do now, when I'm done with this designing this first part, I'll go to the overview and I'm going to type what I want on the overview. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to go to the project side and I'm going to type what I want here and so on and so forth. So you can actually design this in any way you want. So when you're done, the next thing you want to do is to, so let's assume you've made the changes and you've done everything you want on this website. You can actually add more. If you come here, you come to this point and you come to where they call template. So this is where I choose. This is what is called template. This is it. This is the template. So I click on this place and I can now see a little more templates, some templates down here and some templates down here. So if you want to add more elements or if you want to add more things, that's what you can actually do to add more of it. So the next thing I want you to do now, so we are going to delete this because we are assuming we're just using these 9 pages. So the next thing we want to do now is to um show you how to change the color. So if you want to change the color, let's say you have a brand color, you just click on this and when you click on it, you come to color and you choose your brand color. Let's say you want to use the logo color, you just choose your logo color and the changes will be effected for you. But if that is not what you want, you can just simply go back here. You go back, you just simply go back here to undo what you've already done. Then this point down here is where you can actually do some designs on your site. So you do some design on your site. So if you want to actually see the way I'm seeing mine, the way it's showing down here and I can read, what you do is to come on these 3 dots. So let me show you where I went. You come on these 3 dots right here, right? You come on that 3 dots and you click on the thumbnail. You choose the thumbnail, which is this view. So that's what you're going to choose to be able to see it the way I'm seeing it. So when you're done now, the next thing you want to do is to look at what it will look like. So to look at what it will look like, this was what I did. Let me show you what I did. This was what I did to take a look at what it would look like. I clicked on that eye symbol. So on that eye symbol now, you click on it, you're going to see your website. This is what your website would look like when you publish it. So this is what it looks like. Are you seeing it? It looks good. It looks good. So you can see it now. So without navigation, this is what it looks like. With navigation, let's see what it looks like on with navigation. So this is what it looks like with your navigation. So this is what the navigation is. You can scroll through and you can make a multiple choices on your site. So the next thing you do after now is to check if it is mobile responsive. So to check if it is mobile responsive, you come here because your site needs to be mobile responsive. You come here, click on it. This one is to check the desktop view, so it's to check the mobile view. So let's check that now. So just click on this, so you can see it's cool on your mobile device. It looks pretty cool. So this is what it's going to look like on a mobile device, and you can click here and you see an overview. So it's actually beautiful. You can create a simple website with this. So the next thing you want to do is to come here now and you download it. So this is what I clicked on. Let me show you. To download your site, so what you do is that you come here, and this is where I went. That symbol there, you're going to see it on your mobile device. On your system, you're also going to see it. So we're going to click on that now. So if you click on that, what you're going to see um is to actually they'll ask you to either choose a free domain, which is this, or they'll ask you to use your existing domain, which is this. So let's say you have a free domain. You have an existing domain, so you want to publish with an existing domain. You simply click on here and you continue. So if you continue, it's going to tell you how to add that domain. It's going to help you add that domain step by step. Now, to actually do this, you have to be on the pro version of Canva. That is to actually enter your previous domain or a domain you had before. You have to use your existing. You have to be on the pro version. Then something else you have to notice is that to publish this is it. To publish this, you can use the free domain if you don't have an existing domain. So you just click on this free domain and you click on continue. So when you're done with that, you just type in what you want your domain name to be. So let's say I want it to be hotels.ng, and I click on continue. So when you click on continue, it's going to take you directly to your Canva site, and you can also edit this subdomain later in your domain settings. So let's remove the ng, continue. This URL is not available, so let's take something really big. Example, it does not exist. So let me take something water. So you have to choose something that is not yet taken. So when you're done with that, you can write a description of your website, enable password protection, hide my website from search engines. You can do all those here. Then you can publish. So when you publish, you can actually get a link of your website. So that's how you can create a website using using Canva. I hope this was helpful to you. See you later. God bless. This is ELEKWACHI BETHEL from Showcase Digital Media. Kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to get more videos from this channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.